Good afternoon, my name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate named Harmandeep Singh and candidate number 110859. Harmandeep, are you ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Harmandeep Singh, and I recently done my senior secondary study in humanities, and I belong from a small village named as Lena, and it is a very small village, and it is located on Rajpura to Chumbi Road.
What kind of facilities your hometown provide to you?
Various type of facilities my hometown provide me, like a transport. It's a very good transport, and education as well as education and hospitalization.
Which facility you enjoy most in your hometown?
Mostly I enjoying traveling in my hometown, because during a traveling I have a chance to communicate with the other people.
What kind of people lives in your hometown?
Various type of people lives in my hometown, but I am always like people who have no jealousy from other people.
Is your hometown connected with any of the metropolitan city?
No, sir, my hometown is not connecting with any metropolitan city.
Okay, I'll put you some more questions related to your habits.
Yes, sir.
What kind of habits do you have?
I have a various type of habits, but my habit is playing games on mobile. I'm a student and I spend my lot of time in study, so I have a stress from it. I play games to remove my stress.
What kind of good habits do you have?
I have a good habit to. I'm an early bird and I wake up in early morning at 5 a.m.
Do you think habits can be changed?
Yes, habit can be changed because sometimes we have wrong habits, like addiction of alcohol and some other.
Any bad habit which you like to change in yourself?
Yes, I have a bad habit. As I earlier mentioned, I play games on mobile phone. It is give me a stress free. It is give me a feel of stress free, but it is a effect. But it's give a bad effect on my eyesight.
According to you, which is the best way to improve a habit?
According to me, the best way to improve your habit is improve your mindset and focus on your habit. Do you want to change?
Okay. I'll put you some more questions related to your age. Are you happy to be the age you are now?
Yes, I am happy with the age. I am at the time I am 17, and I enjoy it because it's the age to improve my skills.
When you were a child, did you think a lot about your future?
Yes, in my childhood I think about my future, because in every family elders ask to improve your skills to help you in future.
Do people change as they grow older?
Yes, because in this change. In elder, they have various type of responsibilities, like family responsibility and future responsibility.
Do you think you change a lot as you grow older?
Yes, sir. I change very much because in my childhood I am always happy, but nowadays I have a lot of stress to my study and my future.
What will be the different about your life in the future?
Because as I already mentioned, I want in every family elders ask to improve your future. So I have a lot of plan to my future. So I have a plan to go abroad for study. So at this time I'm preparing my IELTS. So I have a plan to go abroad for my IELTS study.
Is childhood the happiest time in person's life?
Yes, in childhood, the happiest happiest moment in person life, because in childhood a person have not a tension about anything and study about study.
Do you still remember any of your childhood memory?
Yes, one time in my childhood I went to my uncle's home, and at this home I have a serious injuries by car accident.
Do you have still any of the toy from your childhood?
Yes, I still a remote control car from my childhood because it is a gift by my father on my birthday.
Okay. So this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is number 1. You have a 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. Okay, start.
Well, in my life, I bought well many things from shops and person. But here would I like to talk about the cell phone. What I buy from my cousin. As I remember in last year COVID period during my online classes, my mobile phone was broken from me because at the time I attend my online classes at terrace of my home, and accidentally it is a slip from my hand, and it's a slip from my hand and it is a broken. So I have no opportunity, no thing to attend my online classes, like because as I earlier mentioned, I live in a small village, and in my village there are no mall and a big building to buy something. At the COVID period, during the lockdown, all malls and shops are closed. So I buy a cell phone from my home. I buy a cell phone from my cousin. It is a Apple brand, and it is a very beautiful mobile phone, and it's impressed me mostly, and I buy it in 14,000 rupees from my cousin. It is in black color. It is very important for me because I have very need this.
Okay, sufficient. So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some questions related to the celebrations, borrowing and lending things. What kind of celebrations are common in your country?
The various type of celebration in common in my country, such as festival, marriage, birthday celebration, and many other.
Why do people care too much about national sports teams?
Because it is the same. Because in my country people think as the national team has performed the performance of national team as the performance of country and the performance of country. So people are always care of national teams.
Do people in your country take part in the same celebrations?
Yes, because people in my country, of course, yes, people in my country take part in the singing competition because in my country every people love song. For example, in last year in festival of my school, half of the students are mostly students are participating in the singing competition.
How has the way of celebration has changed from the past?
Because in past people celebration simply like they totally use music systems and not invite many relatives at function. But nowadays every people want to show off and they pay too much for celebration.
What's the opinion of your country people related to borrowing and lending things?
In my country, various type of people, and I think every people have their own mindset from everything. But according to me, in my country, the many people.
What kind of things people normally like to borrow and lend in your country?
But in my country, many people like to lend things.
Why do some people do not like to lend expensive things?
Because as I already mentioned, every people have their own mindset from everything. But some people think the company, the brand gave a better quality and better experience in a big expenditure.
Have you ever lent money to someone?
No, I am not lent money for someone because I am a student and I am properly depend on my parents. But rely on my parents. So I not have a lot of money to lend.
Is borrowing and lending things are very common in your country?
Mostly common in my country.
Okay, I'll make it more clear. Do you think in your country people like to borrow and give things to others?
In my country, people mostly like to give things other person because in my country I had celebration like a birthday party, marriage and some work occasion. People give gifts for other because it is a culture of India, culture of my country.
Okay, Herman, this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.